You say you're worried about kids. I'm not worried about kids. I'm worried about grown-ups, okay? These are the ones who vote. These are the ones who tell you, the world is coming to an end in 2012. Kids don't say that. Grown-ups do. I'm worried about grown-ups who say, read my horoscope. Tell me where they'll find money tomorrow. Grown-ups say this, not children, okay? Children do not read horoscopes, okay? Children are perfectly happy counting through the number 13. Children are not afraid to walk under ladders. They see a black cat cross their path, they say, oh, look, kitty, kitty, they want to pet it and not run in the other direction. Children are not the problem here. Get me started. Plus, kids are born curious. They're always exploring. We spend the first year of their lives teaching them how to walk and talk, and the rest of their lives telling them to shut up and sit down.